Ordering your books. First, you will need to log into your Pathway homepage. Now that you're in your Pathway homepage, you will need to select your student tab located on the left-hand side of your page. You are now in your student account. As you continue to scroll, you'll come across your student tools section. Here you'll select your student profile. In your student profile, you'll select order books. Next, you'll select the term in which you're enrolled in. Select order books, then select submit. You are now in the Piedmont Tech bookstore. You should see the courses in which you're enrolled in, as well as the materials needed. If your course has an OER, that just means that the course materials are included within the D2L shell. A separate purchase is not required. I would recommend that you not purchase this item until you speak with your instructor. If you purchase an OER printed material, they cannot be returned and you will not get a refund. Please make sure that you are selecting the required materials needed for each course and then add it to your cart. Again, if you come across any materials in your courses that says recommend, please wait until you get into class the first day of class and ask your instructors if those books are required before purchasing. If you come across one of your courses that says the material selected is pending, please add your email address, and once the materials are ready, they will inform you of its availability. Proceed to your cart. At this time, you want to check and make sure you have selected all required items for your classes, and if so, please proceed to checkout. It's okay if this pops up, just hit no thanks and continue on. If you're returning, please log into your account. If this is your first time, please create an account or proceed as a guest. At this time, you will need to place your information in the contact information space. Once you have filled out the contact information, click continue. Next, you will go ahead and choose how you would like your materials delivered, whether you would like to pick them up, have them mailed to you, or have them delivered to the campus in which you're enrolled in. Last but not least, you will choose your payment method, fill out the information, apply your credit card, and proceed to checkout. If you have any questions, make sure to contact the office. I want to remind you to not open up your books until after your first day of classes. If you open your book, you will not receive a refund. So please make sure you have gone to your classes before opening your book.